In an experiment to determine the solubility of solid Y in water at 30 degrees Celsius, the following results were obtained. Mass of empty evaporating dish is 26.2 grams. Mass of evaporating dish plus saturated solution is 42.4 grams. Mass of evaporating dish plus dry solid 30.4 grams. Use the data to calculate the solubility of Y at 30 degrees Celsius in grams of Y and 30 degrees Celsius. Grams of Y per 100 centimeters of water. So we want to calculate solubility. So first, we want to calculate the mass of saturated solution. The mass of saturated solution. But we have mass of saturated solution plus the dish is equal to 42 volts. So how do we get the mass of the saturated solution alone? Is the total mass of the dish and the saturated solution subtract the mass of empty evaporating dish. So that one is 42.4 grams minus 26.2. So mass of saturated solution is 16.2 grams. Next one, we want to calculate the mass of the dry solid. Mass of dry solid. We have evaporating dish plus the dry solid is equal to 30.4. But we know empty evaporating dish is 26.2. So we can get the mass of the dry solid. So this total subtract 26, we will get the mass of the solid alone. So that is 30.4 minus 26.2 empty evaporating dish, and it will give us 4.2 grams. Let me write here. So this minus this is giving us 4.2 grams. This is the mass of the solute, that is the solid. Right? Now we have the mass of the saturated solution, we have the mass of the solute. But we know a saturated solution equal to solute plus solvent. Yes. So this one we have as 16.2 grams. The solute we have 4.2 grams plus the solvent. We don't know the solvent. But now we can get the solvent by liking terms together. So solvent equal to 16.2 minus 4.2, which is the solid, and it is giving us 12 grams. 12 grams. This is now the solvent water. This is water. So 12 grams of water dissolved in 4.2 grams. Now we will ask 100 grams of water will dissolve what amount of the solute. That's what we call solubility. Now we will ask, we will say that 12 grams of water dissolves 4.2 grams of the solute. 100 grams, because solubility is the mass in 100 grams to form a saturated solution. Water will contain what amount of the solute? 100 times 4.2 divided by 12. That one will give us 35 grams per 100 grams of water. So let me write it here, that this one will give us 35 grams in 100 grams of water. So that is the solubility. Thank you.